Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel today. So today we have some exciting news for the families across the New York state. Child tax credit checks are being mailed out and bringing relief and smiles to many faces, especially during the back to school season. Can you imagine the difference this extra cash would make for you and other family right now? Let's dive in and explore everything you need to know about these checks. So, like who eligible and how can you make the most of this opportunity? Did you know that the New York is distributing a whopping $350 million in supplemental payments? That's right. Many families could see their checks as early as this week, as providing a much needed financial boost to help with school supplies, so clothing and other necessities. So, why is this initiative so important, and what can it mean for your family? First of all, you might be wondering if you are eligible. So, if you qualify for the Empire State Child Tax Credit in 2023 and you have filed your taxes on time, there's nothing more you need to do. So, the checks will be sent automatically. This includes the married couple making $110,000 or a single less parent earning $75,000 or less, and married couple filing separately who earn $55,000 or less, and it's all based on the last year's tax return. And if you fit into these categories, keep an eye on your mailbox. Now let's talk timing. You are probably asking, when exactly will I get my check? Yeah, good news. The first round of the checks has already been mailed, and the state will continue sending out more than the 10,000 checks a day over the next 2 weeks. By the end of the month, over 1 million families will have received their checks. So, what does this mean for you? It means a little extra money to ease the burden of the back to school shopping and the other expenses. Imagine being able to buy those extra school supplies or new pair of the shoes without stressing about your budget. And it's all about making life a bit easier during these busy times. And the governor Hochul has emphasized that these payments are the part of the broader effort to address the cost of living for working parents across the state. And it's a step toward giving the families the support they need when they need it most. So if you're wondering about the specifics, the supplemental payment will range from the 25% to 100% of the taxpayer's child tax credit from the last year. So the exact amount will vary, but every bit helps, right? So then what's next? Once you receive your checks, think about how you can best use this money to support your family and something else. So maybe it's chalking up to on school essentials and saving a bit for the future expenses, or even treating the family so something special. So do you have any question about this process? Drop them in a comment below, and if you are excited about receiving your checks or have already gotten it, let us know how you plan to use it. So sharing your plans and experiences can help others in our community. So stay tuned for the more updates and helpful tips, and we will keep you informed about the important financial news and ways to make the most of your money. So thanks for watching. That's all for today update. And I have uploaded many videos regarding finance and stimulus checks. You can go to my channel and you will see all that video. So thanks for watching.